Miss Vanessa, how come you're hiding from the camera? You don't have to. You already have YouTube videos. That's Miss Pregnant. Hi, these two girls over here. Do you guys surf the net?
Yes.
How often? Do you happen to stop by or check the YouTube website?
Yes.
Okay, you may want to type your name within a month or so and you'll see this video on YouTube. I promise you.
Oh!
I promise you, yes.
Yeah.
And this is Regner. Look at this. Regner, come on, just look at the camera. Come on.
Your favorite? Phone? Tingin nga.
Wait lang. Wait lang, inano ko si Regner. Regner, show them how pretty you are. This is the classical Asian beauty.
Oh? Yes.
Come on, Regner, just show them your face.
Wait lang.
Oh, how come you're holding my hand?
No.
Don't let go of me. No, let go.
Hindi lang Tingin ang phone mo. So
wait
nice.
lang.
Napaka-ano nito.
Sige, I'm gonna stop it now. Sige, bye-bye. Regner, do you want to say goodbye first before I stop this?
Sige na, ito lang. Ito lang.
Regner, come on.
Careful. Ay, patay pa si Regner. Bye!
Ay, naku si Regner. Come on, Regner.
Ito nga yung mukha ko.
Hi, Regner.
Okay, bye.
Hi, Regner. Regner. Ay, naku, ayaw magpakita. Alam mo, kahit na magtago ka, your face is already in YouTube. You're in my hidden camera. Did you see that? Hidden camera in YouTube. Your face is there. So they all look at her. See, look how she looks at the camera with her daring eyes.
Grabe naman.
Oh yeah. See? Okay, fine. If you don't want to, bye. You want to say bye first?
Bye.
Okay. Yun lang? Okay, bye-bye.